心情不是不想回你，只是我们的对话少了一些甜蜜。看似很正常的语句，但透的距离，我不知道该怎么对你，也许是成长的关系。我们是每个都告诉自己，我还是很爱你的，只是 lonely。不知道微信什么时候开始没有表情，你的上班时间多了，没有那么多的高兴。回想起来，刚开始的时间，两个人都在爱，都想办法。
Hi guys! We're here at Naiya 3 and we're going to Taiwan! So, pwede na akong mag-vlog kasi nakalagpas na kami ng immigration. Finally! And wanna see our outfit check? Our fit check?
Check na tayo. Just wearing a black Calvin Klein. So what?
So, cut!
Gusto ko
This is a BTS for our TikTok entry.
Hirap yun, mahirap yun. Paano kayo? Ganda. Have your passport. Ayan, okay naman din. Tayo yung label siya. Have your passport. Mag-dub ka naman natin. Tingnan lang.
Ang 4 minutes, hindi pa namin natapos.
Para sa 15 seconds na video.
Para sa 15 seconds na TikTok. 5 minutes ako nagre-record ng BTS. Hindi namin natapos talaga. Lipat kaming pwesto.
Kung walang work sila.
We're boarding, guys.
Aray.
We're boarded na. See you, Taiwan, in 2 hours.
Everyone to Taoyuan International Airport in Taipei, Taiwan.
Hello, guys. We're here na sa... Guys, grabe yung nilakad namin. From airport, sumakay kami MRT to Taipei station, main station. And then, from there, grabe yung nilakad namin papuntang Ximindi. Pero nandun lang kami sa loob ng ng MRT station nila. Pero sobrang lawak talaga. Pero ang ganda talaga ng nila dito, no? Ganda ng transportation nila. And then we're here na sa hotel. 3 p.m. pa yung aming check-in. So may free snacks dito sa second floor. And then ito parang commoner. Dito muna magstay, ganyan. Kung gusto mo dito mag-work, go lang kasi may socket naman. Ayan yung... That's the view. Nakikita nyo ba yung view? Ganda naman yung view. City view siya. So, I'm so freaking tired. Like, sobrang pagod. Like, yung likod ko sobrang sakit na. And sobrang gutom na din. Gutom na ako. Si Ian sobrang gutom na siya.
Di mo kasi sinabi.
So, kakain muna kami. I don't know where, but maybe sa Shimending. Kasi guys, yung Shimending, 5 minutes walk? Wala pa. Less than 5 minutes yung walk.
Actually, 2 minutes lang.
2 minutes walk lang, as in. So, and yung init dito, 28 degrees Celsius. So, sucks lang. Mainit, pero okay naman. Tsaka, hindi naman siya humid. So, yeah. Bye! So, this is the elevator. And, kasing katabi lang namin. Ito yung room namin. So, if you get inside, to the bed. And then there. See, you see? And TV ba yan? No. It's a mirror. And then may isa pa ulit sa salamin. And then mini ref. Ito yung best part for me. The mini bathtub. And then this is the shower area. And then may maliit ulit na salamin here. And then sink. And then bowl. Yan, pag pupupo ka. Ito yung view mo lang naman pag magpupups ka. 'Di ba? It's the city view of Taiwan. 'Di ba? It's nice. Okay na rin. For 19,000 for like 5 days and 4 nights. And it's for 2 already. So, yeah, nice. Guys, sa sobrang gutom namin, first day pa lang namin, nag-samgyup na kami. So, we're here sa Bear One, Yakiniku. Ang price ng samgyup dito ay 698 NTD, or if i-convert nyo times 2 nyo na lang sa peso. And yeah, each yun ha. Pero I will...
Happy 10th anniversary.
Oo, sige, 10th anniversary namin. Ito na yung pinaka-celebration namin. Day 1 pa lang. Pero masarap siya. Like, premium yung mga beef and yung mga side dish. Pati yung ice cream nila is Häagen-Dazs. So, ayun. Okay naman. May mga beer. Unlimited lahat. So, I think sulit na din. Kung nandito kayo sa Taiwan, try nyo to. So, ito yung view namin. Ganyan. Right? So, this is what it looks like. Andun yung mga food. Ayan. So, may seafood na rin. So, yung 698 includes beef, pork, seafood, veggies, and everything na makikita nyo dito. Pero hindi ko lang alam ba't wala silang chicken. Feeling ko ibang menu na yun, yung chicken. So, yun lang. Yung pag-order ng beef dito, hindi siya yung sasabihin mo sa waiter. May app sila, parang may scan kang code and then makikita mo yan dyan. Ayan, i-order mo siya online. And i-deliver nila yung beef. And super bilis lang talaga. So, sulit. Already night and kakagising lang namin. Tapos, nag-ayos na agad kami. We're going to Watson's. Bili lang kami toothbrush. Toothpaste. Kasi hindi pa kami nakapag-toothbrush. Charis. Wala kasing toothpaste dun sa hotel. So, I suggest, guys, magdala kayo ng toothpaste nyo kapag pupunta kayo dito. By the way, this is Taiwan in night. Tatawid lang daan. Sia Day. Look yung outfit namin. As in, wala kaming extrang damit. I mean, ito na extrang damit ko. Nadala ko. So, good morning! It's our second day here in Taiwan and look at our outfits. We're like matchy.
At sabay pa nga nalagla.
Sabay pa kami nalagla. So, we're going to Taipei Main Station kasi nag-book kami ng bus decker. So, it's like a city tour. Siguro magbababa kami sa mga national museums, mga ganun. We're here at Starbucks. Magko-coffee lang kami. Pagod namin sa bakin ang museum tour. So, I'll show you what Starbucks looks like here. So, it's like a Harry Potter theme. Ayan, meron pa sa baba. Nasa 3rd floor kami. There. That's the 2nd floor. Ayan, super lawak. And then, yan. Right.
So, siya naman siya. Pakita mo lang sa vlog. Pakita mo. Kaya na.
Mainit. We're here at Bus Decker. Nag-book kami sa Klook ng Bus Decker going to National Museum. And yeah, so waiting pa sa ewan ko kung may oras, hindi, may oras pala siya. So, mainit kasi kaya hindi kami dun sa likod, pero meron siyang outside, like open yung walang bubong. But it's so mainit there. And we can. Look, we're like matchy.
Tayo.
We're here at National Museum. And again, we just book it sa Klook kasi mas mura siya if mag-book kayo sa Klook. Dito tayo ba siya? So, yung una namin napasukan ay more on ceramics. Alam ko may mga bones dito. Red chamber. So, we're done na sa museum. Ayos lang. Nalibot naman namin. Lumabas kami. Medyo mainit. So, we're here na. Ito yung nakikita ko. Well, napuntahan ko na to nung nag-Taiwan ako. Ayan siya. This is the temple. Yeah, that's the temple. Look at that. Hello! So, we're here again sa Bus Decker and nabook namin to sa Klook for like
5-6
400 something na. Basta ganun, check nyo na lang. Basta may 4 hours siya, may 9 hours, and may 24-hour pass.
Oo, mali ako.
Yes.
Kasi 500 plus. Anyway.
Super sulit. Ngayon papunta kami sa Taipei
Taipei 101.
101.
101. Taipei 101.
Taipei 101.
Ximending Commercial District in Longshan Temple. Our International Concert Hall.
To the front, you can see there have a tallest building. That one is Taipei 101. And if you look to the top, you can see there have a snake. That one is a more indicated by the sun. If you look down, there have a square. And with the